that, folks. We had a little glitch up here that popped a circuit breaker to the mixing panel here. So as you can see, we've got our skydivers coming down Ridge Pickerilly, the yellow and red canopy right now, walking it down, and our 400 square foot USA flag coming down, our American flag. Look at them fight the wind once they get down. Again, these are rectangle chutes. You saw the controllability they have by pulling the toggles, collapsing each corner, allows them to steer these sport canopies just like you fly an airplane. Okay, well, thanks so much to all of our skydivers. Again, they consisted of Dennis Sattler, Dave Sanders, Joe Schladd, John DeSantos, Jay Fergosa, Lynn Fogelman, Bruce Hofer, Ike Hollendahl,